Here's a collage now of the #1 songs from 1985.
I wanna know what love is. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Then I can't fight this feeling anymore. One more night. We are the world. We are the children. You said I'm crazy for you. Don't you forget about me. Boy, everything she wants is everything she sees. Everybody wants to rule the world. I find it hard to believe we're in heaven all the time. Meeting you with a view to a kill. Every time you go away, show. That's the power of love. Take the rub my future's lying, send devil's fire.
Money for nothing and your chicks for free.
Oh, Sheila, take on me. So I'm saving all my love for you. Know the word gets sweet when part-time lovers. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city.
Now that we're living separate lives,
Take these broken wings.
say you, say me, say for always.
The #1 songs from 1985.